everyone, it's Maureen. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the iPhone XS Max. Almost a year since it came out. The new iPhone was just released, or not released, they've introduced it yesterday, and I am so excited for the pre-order this Friday. I just thought of making this video because maybe some of you might want to get this XS Max, and I've had this for a year. Really enjoy the phone. This is such an exciting moment for me because every year I tend to upgrade the new phone even if my phone isn't broken, but I just love to get this new iPhones and enjoy the new technology that they have introduced. First thing that I want to talk about is the color of the phone. A year ago, I have said that the phone looks like a gold bar, and I even compared it, put a picture of the gold bar right here and the phone right here, and it looks similar. The glass of the phone at the back looks really like a gold bar whenever it reflects to the light. That's what I meant about it. Color of the gold is really pretty. So the back of the iPhone XS Max is glass, which is more reflective, and the sides of it is a stainless steel. That's why it's more darker than the color gold at the back of the iPhone XS Max. I am so excited to say that this phone is the most luxurious phone that I've ever owned. Next thing that I want to talk about is the drops. I have dropped this phone a couple of times, maybe a lot on my carpet, and then one time or 3 times on a cement. Before talking about it, I don't have any drop test available for you guys, but I have a story to tell. I dropped my phone at work in a cement, and it was insane because the last time that I dropped it, it was facing the front, and when I pick it up, it's shattered. So scared because I don't want my friggin' phone broken. And so when I looked at it, it was shattered, but then I realized I have a screen protector, so I peeled it, and then when I looked, it was fine. So I really suggest that you put a screen protector on your phone. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is the size of this phone. This size is 6.5 inch, and it's a little bit big for my hand. Though I admit that this thumb cannot reach the other corners of the phone whenever I'm using just one hand, but what I do is I slide it down, tilt it a little bit, and then reach what app I want to use. It's a little bit awkward, but it works, and I got used to it. So this screen size is big enough for me to watch my favorite TV shows, play my favorite games, and edit my videos. It enables me to not switch to another gadget, so I think this is an all-in-one gadget for me. So the next thing that we are going to talk about is the capacity. I ordered the 256 gigabytes. Over the course of 1 year, I used 200 gigabytes on the 256. That's insane. I'm gonna read this to you. I have 1,328 videos, 6,738 photos, and applications is 218. And some of these I don't use. So we gotta clean this before we buy the new one. My available gigabytes right here is 24.78 gigabytes. With this 256 gigabytes capacity of the iPhone XS Max, I've enjoyed 4K videos and a lot of portrait pictures. So 256 is enough for you to survive for that 1 year. It's easier to not move your files to a computer every now and then, so it's better to have a bigger memory and just do it every year. So yeah, I think that's the one thing that I could give you as an advice. Also, if you get the 64 gigabytes, that would work too. And if you're not annoyed of moving your stuff every now and then, if you take 4K videos, that would easily take so much memory of your phone, so you have to move your files onto your computer or your hard drive. But if you can only afford 64 gigabytes, that would work. On this splash water and dust resistant, I have not used this near the water or splashes, so I could not give any thoughts about it. But with dust, I don't think they are lying about it, because as I'm looking at it right now, I don't see any dust right inside where you put your lightning cable, and it's totally clean. No dust at all on the sides, which I've seen it in the past couple of years iPhones that I see a lot of dust inside, and so I don't see anything right now. So yeah, I think they're telling the truth and that this phone is dust resistant. The next thing that I want to talk about is the camera, which I am so excited to talk about. The front camera has 7 megapixel and the back has 12 megapixel. I've used this phone a lot with portrait modes. You can actually control the depth of field of this one, which is crazy. Here are some examples of 4K videos that I shot on my iPhone XS Max. Those are the things that I like most about the iPhone XS Max. I just want to share it to you guys and give you an idea about it. Yes, I enjoyed the phone for 1 year. I'm so excited to get the iPhone 11 Pro Max. We are pre-ordering it this coming Friday, and then we are receiving it next Friday. So I am so excited to be doing the unboxing again, share to you guys how it looks like and everything. So we're gonna have more videos coming up. This has been a 1-year journey for the iPhone XS Max, and I am so lucky to have you guys join me on this journey. Watch out for the next video, which is the unboxing of the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and night, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!